Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Shanice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. Today's nail tutorial, I decided to do like a recreation of my own nail tutorial, of my own first nail tutorial I ever put on YouTube. And the first one I ever put up is like this black lace nail design. So I wanted to recreate that idea and do another kind of black lacy rosy design for today's nail tutorial for this week. So if you want to see how I did it, it's pretty easy. Go ahead and sit back and relax and continue watching, and I hope you enjoy the video. But before you do, just scroll up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this video. Hello guys, so to begin this nail tutorial, I decided to put 2 thin coats of a glitter polish. Yes, a glitter polish. What am I doing? So I used SINFULCOLORS Professional Starry Night for that, and make sure it's very thin and 2 coats. Then after the base coat, I wanted some hollow effect underneath all the laciness that I'm going to do on top. So the Starry Night did have a holographic kind of glitters in there already, but it's kind of more scattered, and I wanted to have it more full of holographic glitter, and to also it ended up being a little bit too dark, so I wanted to lighten it up just a little bit. Maybe this will help out. So I applied REVLON's Holographic Pearl on top and kind of scattered that on top of the Starry Night. I want to do a lacy design, so I went ahead and take L.A.COLORS Color CRAZE Circuits that black, and I did a crisscross hatch pattern of a diamond pattern on all of the nails to make that lacy design look. Okay, so after the crisscross hatch pattern that I just did, I wanted this whole nail design to be a black lacy design, but it got too dark and I didn't think to go on that all black would fit, so I got a white. So I took L.A.COLORS Color CRAZE Energy Source, and I took a very, very small dotting tool, and in the edges of each diamond, so you got a diamond shape, and then the dots on the top and the bottom and each side of the diamond shape, I put a white small little dot on all of the nails. So I hope that makes sense. Once I applied all the dots, I still took the L.A.COLORS Color CRAZE Energy Source of white and applied the flowers. So the index finger, middle finger, wedding finger, and pinky are all getting 1 flower, and then the thumb gets 2 flowers. So the flowers are pretty easy, and I'm going to take you step by step to make a fun, cool, easy rose flower on the nail. So I took a small nail brush, and I started from the middle. So the middle, you want to make sure it's nice and small and curly, cute. So you can do 2 kind of C's like this, or you can make like a swirl in the middle, like a little swirl in the middle. Either one is fine. Then all you have to do next, around that inner circle that you just made, that's very small, and you go around and make little half C's around that circle, making it bigger, and it just, I don't know, it turns into a rose looking flower. and you do that bit by bit and take it slow and make sure the lines are skinny. And you might want to use a liner brush, or if you are comfortable, use like a smaller nail brush that doesn't have to be a liner brush, and you just go around and around and around, making these like these C shapes or half circles. Then once you're happy with the thickness of the flower, then you want to draw 2 leaves, so 1 on each side of the flower like I did. And I just did the outline of like a leaf. So I did 1 flower for the 4 fingers, the index finger, middle finger, wedding finger, and pinky. But the thumb got 2 flowers, so 1 at the tip of the nail and then 1 by the cuticle. I wanted to do a full matte design, but as I put the holographic glitter on there, and a matte would not show the holographic glitter well at all. So I scratched that out and gonna do like a full matte design next week for next week's video, so check that out. I love a matte nail design, so I'm gonna do one next week. But so to finish these nails off, I went ahead and used my favorite top coat, my favorite quick drying top coat, which I used the Pro Fix Quick Dry High Gloss top coat, and I applied that on every nail. This is my recreation of my black lace white rose nail design, and I really hope you like them. Leave some comments down below and tell me what you think about them. I really love to hear your thoughts. So you guys, how do you think my lacy black rose nail tutorial came out this week? I really enjoyed it. I really loved them. It was quick and easy. Anybody can do it. And yes, thank you so much for watching. Go down below, and if I have inspired you, go down below and subscribe down below to my YouTube channel, because I have a lot of other videos that I do in the week, a lot of other nail tutorial videos, and I do nail tutorials every single week. So don't miss out, and go down below and subscribe and hit that great notification bell so be notified first. And also like this video if you liked it. Please go ahead and give me a like and do all that fun stuff. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and I'll catch you back next week with another. Bye.